Hi, thanks for watching that video. That was just a little montage on me making the watch. This is the watch here. Kind of see the size of it. It's a little large, but you can't stop passion. Tell you a little bit about it. These are IN17 tubes. These tiny little guys here. They're one of the smallest you can get. There's one other that's comparable. I think it sits a little taller. The watch has got all kinds of features. You can press the button here, and it'll blink some lights to tell you how much battery's left. There's 6 LEDs in total. And then it's actually got a really sophisticated battery tracking chip. It's called the BQ40Z80. Not that that's probably going to ring any bells. But it also has 2 prongs to add a light to the front of it here. It also has machine learning and a microphone on it, which Sparkfun actually has quite a bit on how to apply that machine learning on there. So theoretically I can speak to this and it will turn this light on. It also has Bluetooth. I was going to have an infrared camera on here, but that got cut because that was adding a lot and I already had no idea if this would work. It's got another mode here, so if I press the button twice, yeah, it's more of a stopwatch at this point. If I hold down the button, it should turn off the digits there, and that saves all the battery. So then it can just sit on a shelf. So what else? It was 3D printed. It's got USB-C charging. So yeah, this was a pretty fun, cool build. And this came about because I had made one a long time ago, like a really large one. And so this is the other watch right here. You can see it's quite a bit larger by comparison there. If I turn this guy on, okay, oh, nice, it still works. But it's a lot bigger, you know. Look at the size of those two. Anyway, I want something smaller and a little more compact that I can more feasibly wear and not be such an outlandish piece of equipment.
As with the best of things, I did end up breaking it, and you can kind of see that in this clip here. I was trying to carry something out, and I ended up just kind of smashing that glass. But it's repairable, not easily, but it is repairable nonetheless. I had also had to repair something else. This board has gotten some work done to it, but it still lives. The audio here got a little messed up here, so I'm just going to voice over it. But I was just saying that if you wanted to check out the files for this and consider maybe making one for yourself, I give caution to that because it's really challenging and a lot can go wrong and it's kind of expensive. I'm going to try and make a Patreon where I could put these files up there for. I'd love to do more of these. That's kind of the idea there. So if you want to support me there, that would be incredible. Or maybe you want to make it better. This could definitely be better. In fact, I'd like to make a better one someday. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. It's really fun to share these things.